Kasi nag-uusap po kami palagi, lalo na sir, itong last 2 batches natin na nasa kwarto pa sila. Gusto nila mag-exercise. It's really very much appreciated. And we saw it in all your presentations. As I said kanina, and you did take the challenge of making presentations kanina na something that you would really use, diba? You would be able to apply sa inyong mga trabahong ginagawa. So with that, maraming salamat po sa participants po natin. Of course, I would like to
thank you for your active participation. Gaya ng masabi ko, isa kayo sa pinakamasaya. At we appreciate your enthusiasm. Nabanggit na yung word na enthusiasm kanina. We appreciate your excitement to learn. Talagang nagtatanong. And we appreciate your energy. Talagang mataas ang energy hanggang ngayon. No? Will last in your career, and it's an investment that will contribute to the control and eventually eradication of ASF and other diseases in our country. So AVET, ang ibig sabihin nun, it's not just Applied Veterinary Epidemiology Training. We also call it All Veterinarians Equipped and Trained.
Lastly, this will not be possible if we always have a funding agency. We also have a funding agency. So I would like to thank especially the Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs of the Republic of Korea. Without their support and their funding, this would not be possible. So yun po, again, thank you very much to everyone. Hopefully, marami na po kayong natutunan and nag-gain dito. And ang pinagtatanan, daghang salamat.